You are a governor to Nigeria. Go and meet Nigeria. Stop that. I am not encouraging anybody to pay attention to Soludo. Initially, we thought that Soludo is our brother, is our own. I never knew that Soludo is an enemy. He's an enemy. He's an antagonist. This is Evangelist Benjamin Johnson Nachi, the only Biafran evangelist that believes in the truth and speak the truth. I'm ready to end by the truth. Now hear me and hear me clearly. Glory be to God. Today that's Soludo, the governor of Federal Republic of Nigeria, not Biafra, is now pleading with the Biafran men, with the Biafran people to allow sit at home to die off every Monday because they are losing. Abi? Because they believe that economy is going down and Nigeria is not making more money. On Mondays, they are losing. But Mr. Governor Soludo, Nigerian governor, which effort have you made for the release of Nnamdikanu that is unlawfully detained, that is still remain in DSS custody now? You are pleading to Biafran Liberation Army to suspend sit at home. And you know vividly where the cause of that sit at home. You understand the meaning of that sit at home. But you don't want to follow the route of that sit at home. You are just being selfish and self-centered. And you expect the BLA, the Biafran Liberation Army, to just pay attention to you, to listen to you, and to just throw it like that, when their master is in Nigerian custody, when the master is still detained unlawfully, his right was denied, his freedom was denied, every economy and activities of his life, his business was denied. That you are thinking of your own and Nigeria. That land belongs to us, not Nigeria. You are a governor to Nigeria. Go and meet Nigeria. Stop that. I am not encouraging anybody to pay attention to Soludo. Initially, we thought that Soludo is our brother, is our own. I never knew that Soludo is an enemy. He's an enemy. He's an antagonist. He's a wicked and evil governor. Wears in a sheep clothing. Soludo, now you are pleading. Now you are begging. Now you are asking them to withdraw. But you never tell them Tinubu to release your brother. You never tell Tinubu to release our brother, our man, that is in DSS custody, unlawfully. 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 Now you are saying they should suspend sit at home. Every Monday, they should suspend. Nigeria is losing. Economy is going down. Anambra is losing money. Eastern region is losing money. For your mind. Abi, for your mind, you are doing the right thing. For your mind, the people that came out with their heart to give you vote, to present you, to support you, to back you up to become governor. The people that pick you up and rely and trust and depend on you that you are the right person are the people you betray. Soludo, you are a betrayer. If you want to sit at home to stop, do the needful. Let Nnamdikanu be released. Let Nnamdikanu be free. Nnamdikanu say, give me 2 days, just free me. Give me 2 days. Everything will calm down. Did Nigeria free him? No.
But do you not think that Soludo is looking at it? Do you not think Soludo is looking at the business, like he said, the shops, the businesses, the schools, they cannot open on Monday. They are not open on Monday, and this is affecting the children going to school, affecting people business.
Listen to me, my brother.
You know that's why
Soludo is self-centered. All those things you see him saying is a political statement of excuse. Soludo never think of the people. He never mind the people. His only thing about himself, what he stand, his business, and what he stand to gain or what he stand to lose now. Listen and listen good. Go to the east. We have already adapted to it. We have already agreed by it. We already admitted it. And we are fully prepared for it. We are not complaining. Soludo, stop pretending as if you don't know what is happening. You are just pretending as if you have us in your mind. You have our children in your heart. You never send anybody, you don't care. You are heartless. You are wicked. You are an evil. Look at our brother. I repeat again. What have you said? What have you done to free Nnamdikanu?
But don't forget that Soludo was one of the persons, as a leader in the Southeast that said he is ready to, stand as surety for the release of Nnamdikanu.
He said, did he make?
So do you not think that is?
Do you
not think him wanting to suspend sit at home is doing it from his own good heart?
Listen,
he was one of the sureties wanting to stand.
Listen to me. Until Nnamdikanu is being free, that is the only thing that will stop sit at home. Are you hearing me? Until Nnamdikanu is being free, until biafra stand, that's the only thing that will stop sit at home. And for your information, Soludo is not a governor of Biafra, it's a Nigerian governor. And he's working for Nigeria and for himself, not for us. Soludo is not with us. If truly Soludo is with us, let him work hard and bring Nnamdikanu out. Let him make the move, do the needful and the sacrifice, and bring Nnamdikanu out. And you will see it. Nobody. He's like Nnamdikanu have already said. He said, give me 2 days, when I speak nobody. And which is true. They all know this. What stopped them from persuading Nigeria to free him? Nnamdikanu is our man. Nnamdikanu is our leader. Nnamdikanu is our person. Soludo is Nigeria. Soludo is not Biafra. Let them free our man. Then we free sit at home. Continue keeping Nnamdikanu. Continue seeing sit at home. And very soon, by the special grace of God, Soludo, I am praying that you should not pass your boundary just like Hope Uzodinma. You will be sleeping in Abuja. You will join Hope to sleep in Abuja. You join Hope to be ruling from Abuja. And it will be a shameful thing. A day is coming when death will meet you. People that pleaded for Ifa and Yoruba is just a kind of this thing. The way our anger, my anger, people's anger, the Biafrans' anger is coming based on this nonsense that you people are doing to us. You people should be cautioned. And as for Hope and you, Mbatu, sorry, Judgment Day is coming.
Okay, but for someone like Soludo and the other Eastern governors, do you think that they know that maybe ekpa is not serious as regards this agitation, that they don't really believe in what ekpa or and other biafran agitators or biafran freedom fighters are doing. Do you not think that they believe that they are just mere joke people like ekpa and kanu, that's why they are not in support with them?
Listen to me and listen good. There are betrayers. They collect money from Nigeria and they sold their people.
But do you not think
They are indirectly, excuse me. They are indirectly.
they feel the Nigeria at first? That's why they believe that they believe that they are Nigerians.
And that is what I'm saying. We are saying the same thing. They believe they are Nigeria and they are working. It's not true. They are not. It's not true, my brother. A Biafran man is not a Nigerian man. There is a difference between Togo and Cameroon. Though they speak French, but they are not one. You get it? They are French. They are Francophone countries, but they are not one. You can't call a Togolese.
So you yourself, are you saying you are not a Nigerian?
I am not a Nigerian. I'm a Biafran. Don't you get it?
You are a Nigerian at first.
I'm a Biafran. You understand? I am the people of the land that have the right to do what? To fight for my freedom. To fight for my land and to defend my land. You understand? I am that people. Just as Shetima said, I am that people fighting to defend Biafra, the land, my own. So I'm not Nigeria. I know where I come from, my dear. I am not those that say my mama, my papa say. I know where I come from.
But the East is part of Nigeria.
No, point of correction. Point of correction. Even before now, what is happening now? What is happening now? Why I said that Soludo them are not Nigeria because the slave trade that have expired. If you check in 1871, either 1871 or 1881, there was a serious crisis, a serious war in America. As at that time, over the issue, have you heard about KKK? Have you heard about KKK? If you have not heard, I am telling you. Even 50 Cent, I think 50 Cent uses in one of his songs. Are you getting it? He's telling you about the slave that expired, the war they fought back in the years. Those KKK are the ones for slavery that fought against those who want to continue enslavement. You get it? You can do your verification to get to understanding better. KKK. You Google it, you get the information better. And that same thing expired then. But in Nigeria, that is the state, the system they brought. Are you getting it? They are using Hope Uzodinma, Mba, and the Soludo to continue that which have expired back in the years, to sell their own brothers and sisters to the Fulani government, Nigerian terrorist department. Are you getting it? So that is the thing they are playing, the game they are playing. You see why I said no. You see why Simon Ekman said no. You say they did not believe. We don't need them to believe. When Sir Williams was fighting for the freedom of the island and the Republic of Iceland, Wales and the rest, and Scotland, from England, they never believed him. His grandfather died in the war. His father died in the process. He himself took it up himself. Though, unfortunately for him, at the end of the day, he died. He was killed, and his body, part of his body was divided into four, and it was hung in the four corners of Britain, of England. But his second in command picked it up from where he stopped and gave those people, Republic of Ireland and the Ireland themselves and the Scotland. They pick it up. Second in command, third in command, pick it up. And today they have their freedom. Nnamdikanu is in the custody of DSS. Simon Ekpan has taken it up. December 2nd, Marikaba. December 2nd, might get to your television, but I know that Nigeria will not allow television to catch it. Are you getting it? And I know Nigeria government will not allow any network, social network in Nigeria to capture those kind of things or to work fine so that you can see the original video as they go. Are you getting it? I know there will be a controversy that day, but to connect yourself, relocate from Nigeria, go to Cotonou that is very near, so that you can watch the video very clear. December 2nd, 2024, celebrity. Simon Ekpa that day. You know him. Odogu carried Odogu now. He beat Nigeria, he beat Tinubu, he beat Shetima, he beat Akpabio, he beat Christopher Musa, Boba and the rest. He defeated them. He silenced all of them because this is how the way he stands. Hey. Yes. You don't expect Joshua to go with the same way, the same platform of Moses. Moses have a different calling and a different platform with one goal. When Joshua pick it up with the same goal but in another angle. So as it is now, whether they believe or not, wait and see the drama. December 2nd, a glorious day. A day that Nigeria, Federal Republic of Nigeria, will not forget. In their entire generations to come, they will not forget it.
Election, senator, they will rig election and enter. And some people voted them. Who voted them? Who voted him? Who voted him? Who voted him? Peter, who voted him?
Who of the Southeast?
They will rig election, do the selection, and say, and people's choice. Who trusts you? Nobody trusts you. You trust yourself with your money. I believe they say, someone Ekpa claim that he's a content creator. He's no more a leader. He's no more prime minister. But even if at all someone Ekpa is a content creator, he create the content, people will like it. He create the content, people will obey. He create the content, people will follow. Even Abaribe will follow. Abaribe is following someone Ekpa content. If not so, he could not have been in panic. If not so, fear could not have gripped him. If not so, he could not have been rejoicing that someone Ekpa have been arrested. Which means he's not ignorant of someone Ekpa content. He's aware of someone Ekpa content. He's a follower of someone Ekpa content, whether he like it or not. Honorable Senator Abaribe, not only him, Igbo senators, Igbo reps, Igbo politicians, governors are no more honorable. They are horrible. Horrible leaders of their people. Horrible leaders that will be at home, elderly people that be at home. Goat will be born in bondage. That's what they are. He's jubilating that someone Ekpa went on special announcement. Special assignment with the Finnish government. According to how Nigeria wants it, to lift Biafra high, to announce someone Ekpa more and more. He was happy, rejoicing. Someone Ekpa had been arrested. Who told him that someone Ekpa is arrested? Propaganda to the core. Propaganda from pit of hell. Have you seen any mortal man rejoice when any of their brother is arrested, whether that one commit crime or not? You see not leaders, Fulanis, stand for better job until Tinubu release him and cancel, remove all the terrorist charges against him for the sake of judgment or justice. It was released. Abaribe Enyine and the Igbo politicians and leaders were there. They saw Badejo, the leader of Menti Anla. They saw Menti Anla under Fulani herders going to land to land, killing people in south, east, south, south. That one is not a terrorist. And they set him free. They did not comment. When he was caught and detained by Tinubu, they did not rejoice that he had been caught. They went their own brother, fighting for their life, fighting for their future. They will say, go and arrest him, kill him. Now he said that someone later arrest will bring peace in southeast. So they talk. Nnamdi arrest will bring peace. Nnamdi killing. Nnamdi death. Nnamdikanu death. Killing will make southeast to be one of the best region in the world. As they try to Nnamdikanu kidnap him, is there peace in southeast? Is there peace in southeast? Now the Lagos Harmonator, get him, Finland return him. Is the problem in southeast? Is the problem among Igbos? Now for these few days, Harmonator went on a special assignment. Is there peace in southeast? Is there peace among Igbos? Is there peace in Biafra land? Killing of farmers in any good place. Didn't it take place? What did Abaribe say about the killing? What did the Pitamba say about the killing in his own state? They keep silent. But if his Igbo man carry gun now to defend himself, he become a terrorist. Look at the people are leading Igbos. This last Monday sit at home, 25th of the yesterday. All of us know that it's brutal in Southeast. Is it someone that did this? People choose to stand for their leaders, whom they know that is their leader. He took Nnamdikanu. People went on the sit at home to release Nnamdikanu because they knew that is their leader. Now you announce propaganda that someone have been arrested. See the violence in sit at home. Is it someone ekpa? Or is it Dr. Lady Ngozi or Abeze? Order them to be violence. People choose it because they feel that you have touched their leader. Abaribe said in channel that all those criminals, all those bad elements, hoodlums, they feel that every Igbo man, whenever you talk of Biafra, they say, hey, this is our leader, this is our leader. They really love that person. That's the wish of people. People want to leave Nigeria. People don't want to be in Nigeria. This is why anybody that come out, according to Abaribe, and say Biafra, Biafra, they follow that people. Why can't Abaribe come out and do what will make people to follow him? Why can't Abaribe come out and do what will make people to follow him? Election, senator, they will rig election and enter and say people voted them. Who voted them? Who voted him? Who voted him? Tinubu, who voted him? Who voted him?
Who of the Southeast?
They will rig election, do the selection and say, I'm people's choice. Who chose you? Nobody chose you. You trust yourself with your money.
But as for the sit at home, do you not think the people are scared to come out on Mondays, even after some people have been arrested? Do you not think that the people of the Southeast, do you not think they are scared to come out they are scared for their life to come out? Even
Monday sit at home had been since they arrested Nnamdikanu.
But according to reports, Nnamdikanu said he is not part of this sit at home there in the Southeast. That he has, he said.
Then
we've seen it severally that even Nnamdikanu brother and Nnamdikanu, Nnamdikanu even through his lawyer and his brother Nnamdikanu brother have come out and said that Nnamdikanu is not in support of the sit at home.
if Nnamdikanu is not in support of sit at home, Nnamdikanu is not initiated it, and the people are not doing that, Nnamdikanu should be support of it. People are doing for Nnamdikanu to come out. They do not ask Nnamdikanu to support us. Understand? If people were asking Nnamdikanu to support it, they will wait until Nnamdikanu come and give order. They do not wait Nnamdi to come and give order. People are doing it willingly. People are doing it willingly to support Nnamdi, not Nnamdi to support them. Understand what I'm saying? People are doing it willingly to support Nnamdi, not Nnamdi to support them. Even someone that wasn't the one who initiated it. People rise up to do it. DOS, betrayers, initiate it in hypocrites. Later they say stop it. Stop it. People say no, we will not stop it. And that's what I'm saying. Abaribe said, I watch it on channel, but someone never say he's not a biafra leader, he's not an IPOB leader, he's just a content creator. Okay, he's a content creator. And whenever he creates content, people will buy it. People will key to it. Even Abaribe key to it. Content creator, Abaribe say, someone claim that he's a content creator. He's no more a leader. He's no more prime minister. But even if at all someone is a content creator, he create the content, people will like it. He create the content, people will obey. He create the content, people will follow. Even Abaribe will follow. Abaribe is following someone else's content. If not so, he could not have been in panic. If not so, fear could not have gripped him. If not so, he could not have been rejoicing that someone never have been arrested. Which means he's not ignorant of someone never content. He's aware of some never content. He's a follower of someone never content, whether he like it or not. These are Igbo leaders, hypocrites, deceivers. When they come home tomorrow, they will let us to hail all of them. Hey, Achinozo, Omeroha, Chinka Iwere, Chinka Boy Iwere. Shame to Igbo leaders, shame to Igbo senators, shame to Igbo politicians, shame to Igbo governors. They are nothing to the people. They are not sharing kind of the people. Forget what North are doing. Forget what West, Yorubas are doing. Forget what Hausa Fulani are doing. The problem of Igbo man is our leaders.